salamat po at pinayagan po kami mag-ensayo. And sa makalawang magulang po namin sa eskwelahan, maraming salamat po and stay healthy po.
Alam mo yun talaga yun yung pinapayagan ng ensayo. Kasi ang hirap din talaga maging student athlete, di ba? So thank you so much, guys!
Maraming salamat to our athletes.
And we have more athletes dropping by for this momentous occasion today.
More and more players are supporting on our event today, and here are to join us this afternoon. Please.
2024 Philippine Badminton Open Men's Single Champion 2024 FPG Cup First Runner-Up Men's Single Jewel Aguilon Albo together with 2023 Philippine Badminton Open Men's Single Champion and 2023 FPG Bronze Medalist Mark Anthony Velasco.
Give a round of applause to our athletes, guys.
Grabe, nagsasaksi talaga yung mga Filipino athletes from they are here.
We have our athletes here, and of course, they would like to give their short message for our loving teachers.
Hello. Introduce yourselves to our teachers while you say hi as well.
Hello po sa mga teachers na nandito. My name is Miguel Aguilar.
Hello po good afternoon po sa mga teachers. I am Mark Velasco.
Oh, may message pa kayo para sa mga teachers natin.
Maraming salamat po sa pagpunta niyo dito. Gusto ko po kayo maging lahat ng Happy Teachers Month and thank you po sa lahat ng mga sacrifice niyo para sa student and kayo po ang bayaran.
Thank you so much for making time to be here today.
Let's give a round of applause to our athletes, guys.